If you live in Frederick and have old, drafty, or damaged windows, replacing them can be one of the best upgrades you make for your home. Many homeowners put off window replacement because they see it as a big investment. However, the benefits often outweigh the cost, delivering improvements you'll feel every day. Let's look at the top advantages of installing replacement windows in your Frederick home. Lower energy bills. Frederick's seasons can be tough on your home. Summers can be warm, and winters get downright chilly. If your old windows are leaking air, your heating and cooling systems have to work harder to keep your home comfortable. Modern replacement windows offer advanced insulation, energy-efficient glass, and tight seals that help regulate your indoor temperature. That means less wasted energy, lower utility bills, and a smaller carbon footprint. Boosted comfort. New windows can instantly make your home feel more comfortable. Say goodbye to drafts sneaking in around the window frames or hot spots near sun-exposed glass. Replacement windows with double or triple pane glass keep outdoor temperatures from seeping inside, so you can enjoy even temperatures throughout your home. This makes every room feel cozy, no matter what's happening outside. Enhanced curb appeal. Your windows are a big part of your home's overall look. Old windows can make even a freshly painted house appear tired. Replacement windows come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to match your taste and boost your home's curb appeal. Whether you prefer a classic colonial look or something more modern, you can find windows that highlight your home's best features. Increased home value. Many homeowners in Frederick see a solid return on investment after replacing their windows. Buyers love energy-efficient, attractive, low-maintenance windows, and they're often willing to pay more for a home with them already installed. If you plan to sell in the future, this upgrade can give you an edge on the market. Reduced noise. Frederick has its share of traffic and neighborhood noise. Modern replacement windows are designed to cut down on outdoor sounds, helping you enjoy more peace and quiet indoors. Thanks to better insulation and multiple glass panes, these windows help block out everything from barking dogs to passing cars, creating a calmer living environment. Easier maintenance. Older windows can be a hassle to clean and maintain. Wooden frames often need scraping, sanding, and repainting. New replacement windows use advanced materials like vinyl or composite that resist warping, rotting, and fading. Many models even feature tilt and sashes, making them simple to clean from inside your home. That means you spend less time on ladders and more time doing what you enjoy. Improved safety and security. Replacement windows often include stronger locks, reinforced frames, and advanced glass options that make them harder to break. This gives you added protection against intruders and peace of mind knowing your home and family are safer. Better natural light. Modern windows are built to maximize natural light without sacrificing energy performance. Thinner frames and clearer glass allow more sunlight into your home, creating a brighter, more cheerful atmosphere. Increased daylight can also help reduce the need for artificial lighting, saving even more on energy costs. Final thoughts. If you live in Frederick and are thinking about updating your home, replacement windows are a smart investment. They offer lower energy costs, a more comfortable living environment, and a stylish facelift for your property. Plus, they deliver benefits like sound reduction, low maintenance, and improved safety that you can appreciate every day. When you choose high-quality replacement windows, you're not just upgrading your home, you're making it a better place to live for years to come.